Welcome to Fontix News. Imagine artificial intelligence not just powering your gadgets, but also safeguarding the world's most powerful weapons. Sounds like science fiction? It's happening now. OpenAI, renowned for its advanced AI models, has entered into a significant partnership with Los Alamos National Laboratory and other U.S. national laboratories to bolster nuclear weapons safety. This collaboration aims to harness the power of AI to ensure the security and reliability of the nation's nuclear arsenal. By integrating AI into nuclear safety protocols, the initiative seeks to predict potential system failures, optimize maintenance schedules, and enhance overall security measures. This proactive approach could revolutionize the management and protection of critical assets. However, this collaboration isn't without its challenges. The integration of AI into nuclear systems raises concerns about cybersecurity, decision-making transparency, and the need for rigorous testing to prevent unforeseen consequences. In summary, OpenAI's partnership with national laboratories represents a significant step toward modernizing nuclear safety. While the fusion of AI and nuclear technology offers promising advancements, it also necessitates careful consideration to ensure responsible and secure implementation. For more stories like this, please subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching.